In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a Facebook page username. To get started, make sure you are already logged into your Facebook account. Once you are inside Facebook, switch over to the Facebook business page that you want to manage. This is important because the username needs to be created from the page itself, not from your personal profile settings. After you have switched to your business page, go to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This will open a menu with account and page options. From that menu, select Settings and Privacy. Then click Settings to open the main settings area for your page. When the settings page opens, look to the left-hand menu. In the section called Audience and Visibility, click on Page Setup. This area contains the main information and setup options for your Facebook page, including the page name and username settings. Inside Page Setup, click on Name. This will take you to the section where you can review and update your page identity details. In this section, you will see a username option. Next to username, click Edit. Now type in the username you want to use for your Facebook business page. Try to choose a username that matches your business name as closely as possible, so it is easy for people to find and recognize your page. Facebook will automatically check whether the username is available as you enter it. If the username is available, you will see that it can be used. At that point, click Save to confirm the change. Once it is saved, that username will become part of your Facebook page identity and can help people locate your page more easily. If the username is not available, simply try a slightly different version until you find one that Facebook accepts. Keep it clear, simple, and relevant to your brand or business name. After you save the username, your setup is complete. Your Facebook business page will now have a custom username attached to it, which can improve branding and make your page easier to share. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.